Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making potato salad. First, prepare your potatoes, wash, peel and cut into cubes. To your boiling water, add some salt. Then add your potatoes to the boiling water. Allow it to cook until soft, but not melting soft as you would normally when making mashed potatoes. I did slightly cook my potatoes a bit softer as I don't mind the potato to crumble slightly to give that creamy texture to the potato salad. If you are doing it this way, you will need to leave it to cool completely. You can even pop it into the fridge until you are ready to add all other ingredients. Once cooked, strain the potatoes and set aside to cool completely before adding all other ingredients. Here we have all the ingredients I will be going into the potato salad. We have corn, peas, mayo, mustard, carrots, celery, salt, red bell sweet pepper, green sweet peppers, black pepper, parsley, spring onion, and boiled egg. And everything would be going into the potatoes. So add everything in. You don't have to use all of these ingredients. These are optional. You can use what you have or whichever ingredients you like. All these vegetables make it really fresh and crunchy in the potato salad, and I love boiled egg in my potato salad as well. And to your mayo, you can add your salt and black pepper and your mustard. And give everything a good mix. So I like doing this separate to just ensure that everything is mixed well before adding to the potato salad. It also reduces the amount of times you want to be mixing the potato salad as well. So it's just this one time. Once you pour this out onto your potato salad, it's just that one time you need to mix everything without over mixing to crumble it too much. Pour your mayo mixture in. And give everything a nice, gentle mix. Potato salad goes well with fried rice and stewed chicken or barbecue chicken and a fresh salad. And you can keep it in your refrigerator until you're ready to have it, unless you prefer to have it warm, but I do like a cool potato salad. And there you have it, a lovely creamy potato salad. Enjoy! Hey guys, thanks for joining me in my kitchen today. If you enjoyed, please do give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. See you in my next video. Bye!